Welcome to Z4, let's understand policy management. From your dashboard, tap on the file icon. Tap on Create Policies. The Policies page will appear. Tap to see policies, click on the Policies section to view all existing policies, scroll through the list, select any policy for editing. To edit a policy, tap on the Edit icon. Click the Edit icon next, update the policy description, for example, change 2 days remote to 3 days remote. Now, tap on Update to successfully save your policy changes. Great! Your policy has been updated successfully. To delete a policy, tap on the bin icon. Tap on Yes to confirm and delete the policy. The policy has been deleted successfully. To create a new policy, tap on the Create Policy option. Type the policy name, for example, Lunch Hour Gaming Policy. Select branch name. Select one or multiple branches, for example Delhi, Mumbai, or at Tara. Select department. You can select one or multiple departments as needed. Type the policy description here. Click the policy description field, enter the details, for example, this policy covers the company's work from home guidelines. Tap Create to add the new policy. Policy created successfully. Now let's understand letter management. Tap the file icon. Tap on Create Letter to open a new draft, enter all required details carefully. Click on the letter type drop-down, choose Offer Letter, and proceed to enter the candidate details and other required information. Choose Appointment Letter, Confirmation Letter, Increment Letter, Appraisal Letter, Relieving an Experience Letter. Click the title field, enter the letter's title, for example Appointment Letter, Priya Singh. Click on the name field, type the candidate's full name. Click on the last name field, type the candidate's surname. Click on the position field, type the candidate's job position. Enter the candidate's full address. Click on the salary field, type the candidate's salary amount accurately. Select the date and the joining date of the candidate, click on the joining date field, pick the correct date. Enter the candidate's email, click on the email field, type the correct email address. Click on the sign field, type the required signature or name. Choose the salary structure with PF or without PF. Click on the designation field, type the correct designation. Tap on Create to create. You will see a message letter created successfully. Tap on Download to download the letter. Tap here to create more letters. Tap on Create Letter to generate a new letter. Select the letter type from the options. Appointment Letter Form, Confirmation Letter Form, Increment Letter Form, Appraisal Letter Form, Relieving an Experience Letter Form. Now let's understand announcement management. Tap on the file icon. Tap on Announcement. Tap on Create Announcement. Select one or multiple branches Delhi, Mumbai, or at Tara. Select one or multiple departments Sales, IT, Marketing, or HR. You can also share with an individual. This letter can be shared with multiple departments. Select the work type from the list. remote, in-office, hybrid, or on-field. Multiple types can also be selected. Select the department or departments where you want to share this announcement. You can share it with multiple departments at the same time. Select the date on which you want this announcement to be scheduled. Select the date until which you want this announcement to be visible. Add an attachment here if your announcement requires one. Enter the subject of the announcement. For example, upcoming team meeting on the 5th of September. Select the message type. For example, general, urgent, or reminder. Tap on Submit. You will see a message announcement posted successfully. To edit an announcement, tap the edit icon. Tap the bin icon to remove an announcement permanently. You will see a message announcement removed successfully. This completes the training on policies management, letter management, and announcement management. Thank you for watching.